Hi everyone and welcome to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making chicken foot sauce. You will need 2 pounds of chicken feet. Make sure that you remove all the toenails from the feet and you are going to now wash it with lemon, or you can use lime or you can use vinegar just to properly wash it. When you're finished washing your chicken feet, you are now going to put it in a pot covered with water and you are going to boil the feet until it is soft. Okay guys, so now that you have boiled your chicken feet, you drain the water from it and you just rinse it lightly. Your chicken feet should be like this, soft, okay? So now you put it into a clean bowl and you are going to add half cup of lemon or lime juice, half chopped up Scotch bonnet pepper or any hot pepper that you have on hand, 1 cup of finely chopped cilantro or shadow benny, 10 thinly sliced pimento peppers, 1 medium onion thinly sliced, 2 medium-sized cucumbers peeled and sliced, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Generally you add salt to taste, it is up to you, but this is just a guideline, so you can start with 2 teaspoons of salt. And you also add 4 cups of water. So now you're going to give this a good stir. Sauce can be served room temperature. You can always put it in your refrigerator and bring it back to room temperature before serving it. You're going to stir this and you're going to taste. If you need more salt, you add. If you need more lime or lemon juice, you add. So this is what your chicken foot sauce will look like.